It's wonderful to see your smiling faces today. Hi children, how are you? I hope you are safe and enjoyed your holidays. Now this is your art class, and today in your art class we are taking a very interesting topic. Do you know there are 7 basic building blocks of art which can be found on every single artwork. These 7 building blocks of an art are known as elements of art.
These are line,
Shape, space, form, texture, value and color. And today we are taking the first look on a simplest element, that is line. So today we are talking about the lines. As you know, in your mathematics class you are making a straight line like this. But this is your art class. So in this art class, you can draw any type of lines. If you ever been in your math class, you note down that lines have to be straight and they go on forever. That is true for the mathematical definition. But this isn't your math class. When you are in the math class, you have to follow your math teacher. But when you are in the art class, you have to create an art. So, for an artist, lines come in all different types. They have many different uses. Let's take a look at some of the most used type of lines and have different artists used in their different ways. Line can go in a different direction. Okay? The 3 main classification for directions are horizontal, that is sideways, vertical, up and down, diagonal, that is anywhere in between horizontal and vertical. Next, lines don't have to go straight. They can go jangling, zigzag with the pointy tips, or a wavy with a smooth curve. In the math class, there is a very strict rules about the parallel lines always being straight. But in the art class, we have a flexibility. A zigzag line can also be a parallel. Parallel lines means they go in the same direction along each other, whether they are zigzag or they are curvy. If they are going along in a same direction, these lines are called parallel lines. Even in the art class, lines don't have the same thickness. Often, lines can even loop over themselves and overlap under another lines. There are many different ways that lines are set such as a way we draw different letters or fonts. Drawing letters is also a form of art. Straight lines, horizontal lines, okay? And then like this, vertical lines you can draw. You can draw like this, zigzag lines, or you can make some wavy pattern also, like this and like this and like this. You can do any scribbling but in a proper pattern. So see here, this is also a forming a line. For example, you are making these blocks. One small, big, but in a same platform. So here line is formed. So whatever you are drawing in that thing, you are making lines. For example, you are writing your name. My name is Jaspal. So I am writing like this. This is also here with the help of lines. All these are the lines. I have written my name. So there are 2 types of line. One is formal line and another one is informal line. Formal means geometrical lines. These lines are straight, zigzag, okay? And in informal lines, any pattern, anything which you can scribbling, anything, any art like this, non-geometrical or organic lines you can say, like this, Okay, for example, you are making some hairs or anything, you are making this pattern, anything. So with the help of lines you are making. Here this is the formal means in a geometrical form like this, straight line, triangle, square, anything. So these are called the formal lines and these are called the informal lines. So in today's artwork you have to make your own, something your own creativity. See around yourself what you like the most. For example, you like anything or anything, just draw it yourself using formal lines and informal lines. For example, I am making one flower, for example. Okay, here I am using the informal lines. Okay, and if I want to make this same type of flowers with formal lines, how I will make? See, I am using the straight lines only. Okay, so now you have to make your own artwork using different types of lines, and after that study your own artwork and see how you have used your lines in a different ways. Okay, so bye bye. Hope you enjoyed the class today. So start making your own drawing. Whatever you want to draw, you can make, you can draw with the help of these lines and then color it with using beautiful colors. Thank you so much. Bye bye.